Do you ever feel like your garden space is too small or too limited to truly shine? Think again. In 2025, garden design is all about turning even the tightest corners into relaxing outdoor retreats. The secret lies in smart layouts, budget-friendly ideas, and creative hacks that transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary escapes. Welcome to Relax Gardens, your home for peaceful and inspiring garden design ideas. Here, we bring you the latest trends, budget makeovers, and DIY garden inspiration that helps you create charm and comfort no matter how much space you have. So before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Relax Gardens, and share it with your friends who love nature and design. And don't forget to drop a comment below. Tell us what kind of garden makeover you dream about. Now, let's explore how to make urban backyards bloom with beauty and relaxation. When it comes to urban backyard layouts, the focus is on space-saving creativity. Instead of spreading out, think vertical. Trellises, wall planters, and stacked designs maximize greenery without eating up floor space. Next, embrace budget-friendly makeovers. Gravel mulch, or even repurpose who can frame pathways or garden zones beautifully without a big expense. Upcycling is another trend for 2025. Turning old containers into planters or restoring vintage items into rustic garden decor adds unique character while keeping costs low. And here's a simple but powerful hack. Use a mix of textures and colors. Pair leafy green plants with vibrant flowers or calming neutral tones from stones and wood. This layering effect makes small gardens look lush and expansive. The best part? These ideas aren't just affordable. They create a relaxing outdoor scape that feels personal, cozy, and truly your own. With thoughtful touches, even a tiny urban yard can become a sanctuary. And that's it. Creative, affordable, and truly inspiring garden design ideas for urban backyards in 2025. Remember, you don't need a huge space or a big budget to make a garden magical. What matters most is the creativity, care, and love you put into it. Thank you for spending your time with us here at Relax Gardens. If these ideas sparked inspiration, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on more garden transformations and relaxing design tips. Share this video with someone who's ready to refresh their garden and let us know in the comments which of these ideas would you try first. Until next time, may your garden, no matter how big or small, be filled with peace, creativity, and beauty. This is Relax Gardens, wishing you happy gardening.